Our bulbs now are working on AC. So we can now test. Can you please put on and see? Okay.
Wow.
So far, I can now install the solar system. I can fit the fluorescent lamps. And now, as you can see, we are trying to light up 2 lamps with 2 switches. That is two-way, using 2-way switches. And we are connecting them. And from here, after my studies, after I get the certificate, I can be able to go out and install. That's if I get the opportunity of a house to be installed. I can make a workshop, that is to sell my materials. Those are cables, switches, sockets, and anything concerning electrical. I can be able also to earn a living from that.